Hello, my dear students. With the due permission of our Sanjani management and for the help to all the students for paying the Sanjani College of Engineering fees, I am demonstrating a video of its newly launched app Sanjani Group of Institutes for your help. So let us see its different steps for your reference. So first of all, if you are using an Android phone, you please go on your Play Store, search it. Once you will get it, go on a Play Store. Simply, when you are on your Play Store, just in the search field, type there Sanjeevani Group of Institutes. Sanjeevani Group of Institutes. You will find the app related to this Sanjeevani Group of Institutes. For your help, please ensure the logo of Sanjeevani Group of Institute is shown over there. Then once you will get it, please do one thing, click on install and install that app for your further use. We'll wait for a minute for its installation. Once the installation is completed, let us see how can it will be used for doing the payment. Now almost it is done. Yeah, it is get installed. Okay, now our Sanjani Group of Institutes app is installed. Just click on open. You can open through this by clicking on open button, or you can go on icon of Sanjani Group of Institutes app and you can click it here. See, once that app is opened, you will find there are two options are given. The first one is login and second is information. I am going to demonstrate you first the login option. When you click on a login, you will get a welcome page of Sanjani Group of Institutes. Then for the first option, when you will click, you will be able to see different institutes connected to this particular app. If you are the student of Sanjani College of Engineering, you have to click on the first option. Then now you may have the question, what is this ID? Okay, once you click an ID, the app prompts for your ID. My dear students, please remember this particular ID is the ID recorded in our college with respect to its financial software. So you can get it this particular ID from our student section. You can contact to the student section to get this ID. If you know about that particular ID, you can directly proceed ahead. So if you got that ID, then immediately after that you have to enter the password. See, the password for this also, the particular mechanism is made by our college or by each institute. From their respective student section, you will get the information about the password. Okay, so this password is available as per the ID given by that student section, as well as for certain student, if this password is not available, then default password facility is also provided by their our institute. So you can inquire about this particular ID and password field to the student section. So you can contact directly to the officials of the student section to get the ID and password. Once you will get the ID and password, that will be permanent for you for future use as well. Okay, and later on you can click on a login button and you can proceed for your further payments. My dear students, please understand, currently this app is in updating stage. So sometime you may find your fee details updated one, or sometime they are in the process of updating. So if it is not updated, please inform or communicate with the student section for its update. Once they will verify your record in the account, they will do the update. So don't be panic if you are finding there the fee status is as it is or it is not updated. So this is the first tab that is given on this particular Sanjeevani Group of Institutes app. If you forgot your password, you can go on a forgot password and you can follow the given process. Apart from that, still if you are facing any problem, okay, now I am going to talk about the next tab given here, that is info. So once you click on info, you will get here the details related to that particular assistance provided by our Sanjeevani Group of Institute, where you can directly contact on the given number, that is 91301 to ask about or to get the details about your query, okay, or you can draft as well as you can put an email on that apphelp@sanjeevani.org.in on this mail ID. See, the further process is really easy and convenient for you to do the further payment process for the institute or for your respective college here, okay. So I hope you may like this particular software. Kindly share it with your friends, batchmates, classmates for their easy use and to handle it, okay. Your suggestions, your queries are most welcome. So thank you very much for attending this small demonstration of Sanjeevani Group of Institutes app. I am thankful to all the honorable management, director, heads, deans, faculty and the students for supporting and using this app. Thanks. Thank you once again.